Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really put me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love that gives. I don't know why I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Someone must have made me feel bad. Who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie. Really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to give. I don't know why I just can't believe it. Like somehow I can't. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. There isn't anything. It keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning. The world keeps on spinning, blowing on me, blowing on me. Oh, it keeps feeling like I stay blind to something that everybody else seems to see. Everybody but me. Oh, it keeps feeling like I can feel it. I'll tell myself that I'm better off being free. But really, I'm just afraid that true love's a trade. Do it to feel. 'Cause yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. There's nothing to me in the world. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. There's nothing to trust me for. You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you play, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. 'Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Fool me once, fool me twice. You love me, oh, react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Save me forget it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. One day you're here, saying what I wanna hear. The next you disappear, doing God knows what with God knows who. You make me cry, so bad just to apologize. Good enough for me to try to forget the real you. I hate it when you break my heart, but I hate you more when you love me a little. I'd rather get nothing at all, 'cause I hate you more when you love me a little. When you love me a little. Can't believe I'm so naive for thinking you'd stay, for thinking you would just leave. Every time I'm about to leave, you promise you'll change while staying the same. Or do you sleep? One day